Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing something completely new. So my channel is, well, an ASMR Let's Play channel. We play video games on my channel. So I figured, hey, instead of playing a video game, why don't we instead make one? So that's what we're doing in this video. We're gonna go ahead and start making our own video game. I don't know if I'm gonna do more of these videos or if this is just gonna be just a one-off video. It just all depends if this is something y'all want to see. So if you want more of these videos, go ahead and let me know so I can, continue on. But yeah, we're gonna be making the game. Now, I was contemplating whether I should do it in like Godot or like Unity and just program everything myself from scratch. But I decided against that since I feel like that just would have taken way too long. So instead, I have RPG Maker MZ, and this is what we're going to be using. So the RPG Maker already has like some of like all the mechanics and stuff already made. So it'll be a lot easier, making the game rather than just doing it ourselves from scratch. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and open a new project. I'm sorry if the screen is a little bit small. I don't really know if I can make it bigger or not. I'm sorry. But anyways, yeah, our project, the name, I don't really have a name for the game just yet. So instead, we're just gonna put ASMR, and we can just change the name later. So when you create a new project in RPG Maker, it kind of like pre-makes stuff for you. So for example, if you come up here to the database, like actors, it already has like some characters already kind of created. If you go to classes, it already has classes made. Same thing for skills, items, weapons, armors, enemies. It has all this stuff already pre-made. Wow. Since I want to make my own game, I'm just gonna go ahead and just delete all that stuff, and I'll eventually do the same thing for like the skills and weapons. I'll just delete all this stuff and just make our own. Yeah, but for now, we'll just go ahead and delete all the actors. We'll come down to system. Gotta make sure our battle screen, we want it a side view. We do want it turn-based. Let's see what else. Display TP and window. I did not plan on using TP, so we're just gonna go ahead and disable that. EXP for reserve members. As of right now, I don't really think I'm gonna have more than 4 members in our party, but just in case, we'll go ahead and check that. I am kind of creating a game design document that has like the story, all the characters, the lore, like everything to know about the game is in that document, or is gonna be in that document. I'm currently working on that, so I kind of have some of the story kind of written out for this game that we're going to be creating. Same thing for some of the characters, the classes, but it's not complete yet. So yeah, but I do plan on finishing it eventually, maybe. But yeah, I do have like a general idea of how I want the story to go, and all that stuff. So yeah, let's see, system 2, I think all that stuff is just fine. Yep, so let's go ahead, and since we deleted all these so we'll save that. His sprites, we gotta save that as well. Alice there. Battler, gotta save that. Alice there. Okay, first character is done, so now we can come to the database and add him. His name will be Alistair. His class, swordsman, I guess for now. We'll eventually maybe change that. The face, Alistair, choose that. Character, choose his sprites, and then his battling sprites. There you go. These equipments, we'll leave it empty for now. Go ahead, click apply. System 1. Starting actor. We'll add Alistair. There you go. So now we have a little character right there. And we can go ahead and test play it. So, okay, make that bigger. New game. Yep, and there's our character. Oops. And you can move him around. Okay, so now I want to start the beginning of the game. Right, I want to have a little cutscene at the beginning of the game when you first start, and I want it so your character is just sleeping, and then he's woken up by his father. So, what I'm gonna do is come down here. I'm gonna create a new map, and we'll just call it intro, and just hit OK. Right, set starting position for the player there. Alright, so now we're gonna do a new event. Just call it intro, and I want this to run as soon as this map loads. So now we can come to contents. We're gonna do show text. Alright, and it's gonna open up by a mysterious person. Kinda just telling, oops. Our character to wake up. And as it goes on, main characters herein more and more. And then finally, just wake up. And so now our character, Alistair, is gonna respond. Be what? Who's there? Show text, and it's gonna be the father. I did see like this old character. We'll use that for now, I guess, as a placeholder. We may, I guess, maybe create our father, but for now we'll just use that placeholder. Wake up, Alistair. Okay. So now let's go ahead, apply that, and let's run it and see what we got. So when we hit new game, so it says wake up, wake up, wake up. Huh? What? Who's there? Wake up, Alistair. Now, as you can see, our character sprite is just chilling right there, and I don't want him to be. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna come back, and we are actually gonna create a new character and just call him blank. And he's gonna have no images, no nothing here. It's just a blank character. You're gonna come to system. We're gonna remove Alistair from the starting party and add blank. There you go. Apply that. And so now when you do a new game, now he's gone. It's just a blank space. Wake up, what is there? Okay, and then it just loops back around. Alright, so after this cutscene kind of ends, we'll go ahead, create a new map, and we'll call it Player House. It's an inside house. So yeah, what we'll do is just come here and we'll just lay down some tile sets just for the sake of it. Let's go ahead, decorate this room a bit. We'll give him a bed. Yeah, piano, sure, why not? Just whatever, you know. Oops, I don't like the way that came out. Can I just... Yeah. Let's see, what else can I put just in this room? Bookshelves. Let's put like bookshelves all across the wall. And then... yeah, furnace right there. It's whatever, it's nothing. I'll redesign this later. Okay, but anyways, we'll come back to the intro. Oops. And then I'll edit this. And so, once he gets waken up, we will transfer the player into the player house we just created. Put him next to bed. Right? Okay. And then what we need to do is right now, blank is our main character when he's not supposed to be. So we'll also add a command to remove blank from our party and then add Alistair to our party. So I'll go ahead, apply that, and let's run it. New game. Wake up, wake up, wake up. What? Who's there? Wake up, Alistair. And boom, now we're in our room. And okay, wait, something. Okay, yeah, something's wrong. Yeah, as you can see in our main menu, we have all these extra characters. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. I think I know why. I think, yeah, these starting parties aren't actually blank entries. Just delete all that. Okay. Let's try that again, shall we? New game. Wake up. Oh, who's there? Wake up. There we go, now we can move. And yep, there we go. There's our character. Here's our house with some furnishings. Some furniture in there. Yeah. Let's see. Oops. Let's see, what else can we do for now? Yep, the title screen. I want to change the title screen. So instead of having like this picture when you start the game, let's change that. So let's see what they got. It's a beach, a tree, a canyon. Let's see. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Okay, I think we'll go with this. It's fantasy. castle and a sword there. Go ahead, save that. And alright, classes. Yeah, let's go ahead and make just a beginner class for our character, because I don't want him to be a swordsman. I actually don't want to use any of these beginner classes things. I want to make my own. So we're just gonna come down, do change maximum, and we'll just, I guess, put it at 20 for now. Right, and then at 10, we'll just do my classes. Right there, just to kind of separate them from these other ones. And the first class we'll do is just a villager. It's just a starting class. Early on in the game, you'll be able to unlock, all the other classes and change between them. So villagers just kind of just a beginner class. Here are the parameter curves. You can set like how well that stat will do, like all these stats. So max HP, do you want this character to have like good HPs and maybe like low MPs? Oh, you can change that stuff here. But since this is just like a beginner class that like it's not even gonna last throughout the game, we're just gonna put all the stats as low as you can. Just E. Just lower it, lower it, lower it, lower everything. Lower it. Lower it. And lower luck. There we go. So now we can come to actors. Alistair could change his class to villager. So now his default class is villager. Classes, you can also change what weapons that class can equip. So you can do, so for the villager, you can equip daggers and just general armor. Again, I'm probably planning on like changing this stuff. So yeah, some of the stuff is gonna change, but we'll leave it alone for now. Once I figure out what exactly I want, like what type of elements, what type of weapons and armor types. Once I figure that stuff out, then I'll come back and change this class. Yeah, but for now, just whatever, just basic stuff. And oops, let's go ahead and try it out again. New game. Yeah, our back screen is different. Wake up, wake up. What? Who's there? Wake up, Alistair. And we're in our room. And if we come, check our stats. We are a villager now. Level 1. Okay. Well, I think that will be it for this video. Kind of a short one, I guess. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more of these videos, so that way I can maybe continue making them and we can, actually start working on creating this game. I think maybe between episodes I'll work on it a little bit, maybe get the player house like kind of fully built, and then and then maybe figure out exactly what classes I want, maybe working on the skills and stuff. Yeah, maybe just more or less figure out what I want and don't want from some of this stuff, and then just make it ourselves. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you